Making money on Amazon? Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you it's not only possible, but also easier than you think? Ever thought about getting paid to share your opinion? It's possible. Imagine turning your thoughts and experiences into a side hustle. Amazon is a huge online store, and they need people like you to review products. With millions of items sold every day, your feedback is invaluable. This means you can try cool stuff and make money at the same time. From the latest tech gadgets to everyday household items, the opportunities are endless. Sounds like a win-win, right? Not only do you get to keep the products, but you also get compensated for your honest reviews. In this guide, we'll break down how to get started, write awesome reviews, and build a reputation as a trusted reviewer. You'll learn tips and tricks to maximize your earnings and make the most out of this opportunity. So, if you're ready to turn your opinions into cash, let's dive in and explore the exciting world of Amazon reviews. Getting started, what you need to know. First things first, you need an Amazon account. Already have one? Great. If not, signing up is easy peasy. Just head over to Amazon and follow the instructions. Next, you'll need to start reviewing products. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional writer. Just be honest and share your thoughts. Finding products to review can be a daunting task, but don't worry. It's easier than you think. With a little bit of effort and some smart strategies, you can get your hands on products to review in no time. Now for the fun part, finding products to review. This is where your journey begins, and it can be quite exciting. There are a few ways to do this. You can start by browsing through Amazon's vast marketplace, looking for items that catch your interest. One way is to join Amazon Vine. This is an exclusive invitation-only program where Amazon sends you free products to review. It's an invitation-only program where Amazon sends you free products to review. Pretty sweet deal. Imagine getting the latest gadgets, books, or household items delivered right to your door. You can also reach out to companies directly and offer to review their products. Many companies are eager to get their products in the hands of reviewers, and a well-crafted email or phone call can open up many opportunities. Once you have the products, the next step is to write honest and detailed reviews. Your feedback can help other consumers make informed decisions and can also build your credibility as a reviewer. Remember, the key is to be genuine and thorough in your reviews. Happy reviewing! Writing reviews that pop. Honesty is key. When you sit down to write a review, remember that your words have power. They can influence others' decisions and shape their experiences. When writing your reviews, be honest and genuine. Authenticity resonates with readers. They appreciate knowing the real deal, the good and the bad. People can tell if you're not being truthful. A review that feels fake or overly promotional can turn potential buyers away. Trust is built on honesty. Start by giving a brief overview of the product. What is it? What does it do? Describe its main features and functionalities, then share your experience using it. How did it perform in real-life situations? Was it easy to use, or did you encounter any challenges? Did it meet your expectations? Reflect on whether the product delivered on its promises. Was it worth the investment? What did you like about it? What didn't you like? Be specific about the pros and cons. This helps others make informed decisions. Getting your reviews seen. Sharing is caring. Once you've written some awesome reviews, it's time to share them with the world. Share your reviews on social media, with friends and family, or even on your own website or blog. The more people who see your reviews, the more likely you are to earn money. Start earning today. Your side hustle awaits. So there you have it. Making money by reviewing Amazon products is a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash. Just remember to be honest. Write detailed reviews and share your thoughts with the world. Who knows, you might even become an influencer. Now go out there and start reviewing.